Welcome to One Question at a Time, the TSI series. Question number 111. If x is the list of three consecutive even integers, which of the following represents the sum of the three integers? So we have the keyword here is they call x is the list of three consecutive even integers, and then they're asking for the sum. So let's do some example. If we have a number like 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Okay, so if x is at the positions here, now my consecutive mean is -2. Okay, least mean the smallest one. So of course it will be go that way. It's always the next number will be on the right of x. Okay, so even numbers, we have to know what is the even numbers, right? That 2, 4, and 6 is the even numbers, is consecutive. But we don't know what number will be on the line. We just know is odd, even, alternative, odd, even, odd, even, right? So we're taking the smallest number for like example, and if we have x at the smallest one at the position even, so the next one is will be 1 2, you add 1, you got odd, you add one more, you got even. So the next number will be x plus 2. Now we need three numbers, right? So we have x at the first numbers, the second numbers, and then we have the third numbers right here. So you add 1, you add 1 more to get it. So from the second numbers, you add 2, or from the first number, you add 4. So we have x plus 2, and x plus 4. It's a 3 consecutive even integers. In that, x is the least one. So now we find the sum of those. So we have x, sum mean additions, plus x plus 2. This is the second numbers. The third number is x plus 4. Now we simplify. We open the parenthesis, x plus 2 plus x plus 4. In this case, to making sure in all the problem we will do it right, that's why we need the parenthesis. And for you to recognize which one is which, so I will say x plus 2 is the second one, so you know inside the parenthesis is the second number. Okay, so in front of the parenthesis is the positive, so we just keep it as it is and take off the parenthesis. So we copy down everything again. Okay, so now we simplify by combining like terms. So we have 1, 2, 3x. And now we have 2 at 4, that is 6. So the sum of three integers, if x is the list of three consecutive even integers, is 3x plus 6. And A is the correct answer, the first choice. if they change the even into odd, the answer will be keep the same because the pattern will be the same. And you see that if you have 1 is the least numbers, so you term 1, 2 to get 3. So you add 1 and 1, so the next one will be x plus 2 for the odd numbers, right? So from 3 to 4, 4 to 5, that is 2 more units. So you have x plus 4. So of course, the sum of those 3 integers will be the same, 3x plus 6, with the same conditions. Thank you for participating in this series and see you next time.